Alright, welcome to another breakfast creation by me, Etpc. So today, we're getting rid of the heels and stuff that everyone seems to leave in the bread thing. So we're going to get rid of that. I got 4 eggs here, shredded potatoes, cut up onions, and some cheese. Okay, and we're going to make a nice little creation here. Got our griddle, turned it up to 350. And let's get started, shall we? Alright, so I put a little bit of water in the eggs and whipped them up along with some salt. And then I kind of ripped up all our pieces of bread here. Okay? And that's the next step. Okay, so over this side I'm making just a regular kind of hash brown. So put down some shredded potatoes, some onions. I'm going to put some olive oil in there, and some salt and pepper on there too. A little bit of garlic powder, and salt and pepper. So this is kind of just a little meal by itself. And I'm going to make the other one, the new creation, over here on this side of the grill here. Alright, so threw some hash browns, or the shredded potatoes on here. Let's get some olive oil on there. Spread this out. Get my onions going too. Just like that. We'll have some more olive oil. There we go. Mix this up here. So my griddle's on 350. Kind of let this get browned a little bit. Take up the whole grill here. Alright. I'm going to add some Cajun lime salt stuff here. Some garlic powder. Oh yeah. Okay, now that it's starting to get kind of brown there. Smelling amazing. I'm going to go ahead and add my breadcrumbs here. Lots of bread.
You're putting pancake in that?
No, this is bread here. Lots of bread. All the crust that nobody wanted. Now somebody's going to want it. Now we're adding the eggs into that. You got a breach. There we go. Add our eggs to that. Get that back in there. Try to mix all this together now. The one giant, amazing amount of yumminess. Oh yeah.
Awesome.
Look at that.
Turn on my main light. Awesome.
Look at that. Alright, we're going to mix this up now. Alright, so I kind of flattened it all out into a nice, yummy batch of goodness here. And then just kind of flip it over. Once one part's done like that. Kind of work your way around. Sure, we can. Want me to help you? Okay. that's getting all nice and yummy there. Okay, friends, it's pretty much done. Now we're going to finish this off with some cheese. Oh yeah, cheese makes everything better.
Not a peanut butter jelly sandwich.
Oh, well, maybe not a peanut butter jelly sandwich, but look at that. Amazing. Alright, I'm going to let that melt. Alright, my friends, look, it's all melted. I'm going to turn this off. And we're ready to plate. Ready to plate the meal. So let's divvy this up a little bit. Oh man, look at that. Scrum-diddly-umptious. Yeah. Okay. I'm just going to add some nice shredded lettuce on top and some tomatoes. And you can put jalapenos, you can put whatever you want on there. Doesn't that look delicious? Alright, my friends, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time for another breakfast creation. Alright, so I just put some creamy sriracha mayo on there and took a bite. And this is like one of the best breakfast things I've ever eaten. Just saying. Anyways, thanks for watching, my friends. It's amazing.